Augustine of Hippo, de Doctrina Christiana, Episode 5. Augustinus de Tractores numerat. Quidam enim reprehensurdri sunt hoc opus nostrum, cum ea quae praecepturdri sumus non intellexeirent. Here Augustine continues the second part of the prologue, and here is the editor's description. Augustine counts up or lists his critics. Aug here is for Augustinus, masculine singular and nominative, and detractores is a masculine plural accusative as the object of numerat. Numerat is a first conjugation verb, third singular, present indicative active, numeradro, numeradradra, like so. Now he says, there are certain people, in fact, quidam enim, that will find fault, or certain persons indeed will find fault with this work of mine, hoc opus nostrum, because ea non intellexeirent, because they have not understood ea, those things that we are going to teach, quae praecepturdri sumus. This short sentence is a complex sentence nonetheless because it has subordination, but it's quite simple. Quidam is the subject, masculine, plural, and nominative. It means certain persons, particular persons, quidam. It is the subject of sunt, and reprehensuri is the predicate. We take reprehensuri sunt together as the so-called future active periphrastic, future active periphrastic. This is from the verb, third conjugation verb, reprehendo, reprehendere. We've seen it before in this work, and it means to censure or to blame. Certain persons, indeed, enim, that's the postpositive particle, will find fault with hoc opus nostrum. Here is the object of reprehensuri sunt, specifically opus, neuter, singular, and accusative. It's a third declension noun, and it has two modifiers, hoc and nostrum, in the same gender number and case, as the object of this verbal unit, reprehensuri sunt. Now, for the rest of the sentence, it's cum intellexeirent. So I'm taking intellexeirent as a third plural and as a perfect subjunctive and active, a perfect subjunctive active. So I'm taking cum here as cum causal, cum plus the subjunctive. This is from the verb intellego, intellegere, third conjugation verb. So non intellexeirent, because they have not understood. Now the object of intellexeirent is ea, neuter plural and accusative. Ea in turn is modified by the quae clause, from quae through praecepturi sumus, because they have not understood those things. Which ones? The ones quae, which we are about to teach, which we are going to teach. Praecepturi sumus, like reprehensuri sunt, is the so-called future active periphrastic. That is, it's a form of esse with the future active participum. Praecepturi is from praecipio, like so, third conjugation io verb, praecipio, praecipere, praecepi, etc., and it means to give instruction, to give precepts. It's masculine plural nominative here, just like reprehensuri, but it is referring to Augustine, whereas reprehensuri is referring to quidam.
Thank you so much for watching this free video. I hope that you learned a lot about the classical languages and advanced your knowledge and enjoyment. You can help us keep going with this instruction if you like this video and subscribe to the channel. We've had hundreds of thousands of views in the last 9 years, and we would really like to grow our number of subscribers. If you hit the little bell, you will be notified every time we release a brand new free instructional video. You can also check out one of my Latin or Greek courses at LatinPerDiem.com or mossmethod.com. Check the links if you'd like to study Latin and Greek with me directly. So keep learning, and vale tote omnes.